Welcome to the Weather Centre on the first day of a new month, where the morning starts off with some light rain or drizzle along parts of the eastern Cape coast, and we'll see the cold front spread the chance of rain all the way through to the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. Things start to clear out and warm up over the western part of South Africa, with sunny conditions extending all the way through to the central part of the country. Mostly cloudy weather and isolated to scattered thundershowers are forecast over the northeastern and eastern part of the country. The South African Weather Service have issued a watch of the possibility of heavy rainfall, with 50 millimeters of rainfall or more expected over a 24-hour period, and that's mainly over KwaZulu-Natal. Here's our rainfall probability map, with scattered thundershowers expected over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, as well as into KZN. Isolated though as we head towards Gauteng, the eastern part of the Free State and northwest, including parts of the Eastern Cape and Limpopo, with a 40% chance of rainfall along parts of the Eastern Cape coastline. We're forecasting maximum temperatures in the upper 20s for Gauteng on Sunday afternoon, 28 degrees for Bombela, Polokwane as well as Richards Bay, 22 for Pietermaritzburg, with quite a cool Sunday in store. We stick with that high as we head along the coast between George and East London, 29 degrees for Cape Town, 32 for Kimberley and a high of 31 for Mahikeng. Along the west coast, strong winds are forecast for Alexander Bay on Sunday, so poor beach conditions there. We're forecasting fresh winds and moderate beach conditions from Namaqualand all the way through to Langebaan. Along the west coast, we'll see a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell with a wave period of 14 seconds. In the southwest, poor beach conditions are expected for False Bay due to a strong southeaster. Fresh southeasterly winds are forecast for Cape Agulhas, Hermanus and the Cape Town Atlantic side, so moderate beach conditions there, with quite a large swell of 3 metres from the southwest. Along the south coast, we're expecting good beach conditions for Mussel Bay, Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with light to moderate wind speeds. A south-southeasterly wind is forecast for Plettenberg Bay and Mussel Bay, and more of a southerly wind as we head towards Port Elizabeth, with a 2 metre southwesterly swell along the south coast. Poor beach conditions are expected along the east coast due to the possibility of rain from East London through to Durban, and we're also expecting a few thundershowers for Richards Bay, with a fresh southerly wind for Richards Bay and more of a southwester along the rest of the east coast. And then along the east coast, we're expecting a 2 metre easterly swell with a short wave period of only 9 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Sunday.